Deep within the silent woods, we've discovered a legend lost to time. Buried under decades of decay, this rusty skeleton was once the king of the open road. Nature has claimed it for 30 years, but today we aren't seeing junk, we're seeing a sleeping beast waiting for its second chance.
Extraction was our first battle. The Earth didn't want to let go. We had to use heavy machinery and sheer willpower to pull this heavy metal out of its muddy grave. After hours of struggle, the legend finally touched solid ground again.
The most satisfying part of any restoration is the first wash. Blasting away 30 years of history reveals the true scars underneath. As the mud falls, the reality of the damage sets in. This is going to be a long journey.
To rebuild, we must first destroy. We are stripping the car down to its bare bones. Every nut, bolt, and wire is removed. Seeing it completely empty is heartbreaking, but it's the only way to ensure a perfect rebirth.
Rust is a cancer for metal. We're using sandblasting to strip every inch of corrosion. It's a messy, grueling process, but we need a clean slate. After hours of work, we finally have raw, fresh steel to work with.
Now comes the surgery. We are cutting out the cancer and welding in new life. Every hammer strike and every weld is aimed at making this chassis stronger than it was when it left the factory 60 years ago. The heart of this beast was dead. To wake it up, we've completely rebuilt the V8 engine. High-performance parts and a lot of grease. This isn't just an engine anymore. It's a masterpiece of horsepower.
Before the color goes on, the surface must be as smooth as glass. We've applied 3 layers of high-grade primer. Every curve is hand-sanded to perfection, preparing the body for its final transformation.
The moment we've all been waiting for. We chose candy apple red, a color that screams power and elegance. Watching the red mist settle on the steel is pure magic. Legend is finally getting its skin back.
Luxury meets legacy. We've handcrafted the interior with premium black leather and custom red stitching. We kept the classic feel but added modern comfort. Sitting inside feels like stepping into a dream.
The moment of truth. After 30 years of silence, can we wake the beast? It struggled at first, but then the roar. That sound makes every hour of hard work worth it. The king is officially back.
From a forest grave to the center of the spotlight, this car is no longer just a machine. It's a symbol of passion and perseverance. It reminds us that with enough love, nothing is ever truly lost. See you in the next build.